Chapter 6. Thinking is registered in matter. It has elsewhere been written that matter is the registration of the divine idea of thinking mind. Man is familiar with the thinking process in his own daily experiences. Consider for a moment the concentrative thinking of man in conceiving idea. Is not the idea at first nebulous? And as man concentrates electrically in his thinking, is not the idea more and more distinct in form? And does not that form remain clear and distinct so long as man concentrates dynamically upon thinking that idea? When man's concentration relaxes, does not the idea become more and more nebulous in form, and more indistinct, until it is but a memory? Just so with the thinking of the one universal mind. The concentration of all mind is electro-positively registered in motion, and its intensity and relaxation of intensity are chemically noted in states of motion of the very mind substance which performs the action and reaction of the thinking process. The intense, concentrated expression of idea in generative thinking is chemically registered in definite, distinct, rigid form, while the relaxed, less intense, expanding expression of idea in electronegative, radiative thinking is chemically registered in indefinite, indistinct, nebulous form. If the universal mind is without form within itself, if its light units and mass are but appearances of form due to motion and not to substance, so also is mind in its entirety without form or shape or size. The universe of mind is neither bounded nor boundless, for it has no extension or continuation. Apparent separability is a necessary quality in creating the illusion of a universe of extension or continuation. The one substance of divine mind is non-separable, non-extendable, and non-continuous. The apparent parts of mind have an apparent relationship to one another. As the appearance of separability of the mind substance is but an effect of motion, then also is the appearance of relationship of one apparent part to another but an illusion due to motion. Relationship of matter is but an appearance and has no existence. And that which man calls relativity is but an illusion, just as that which man calls perspective is but an illusion. Relativity is the science of an illusion in 4 dimensions as perspective is in 3. God is light. Light, as man knows light, is but an unstable simulation of the real light of the universal one. Man's concept of light is luminosity, an illusion of the universal light of inertia, sustained in its appearance as an illusion of light by the pressures generated through motion. The inner mind of ecstatic man knows the real light and that he is one with light. He is not deceived by its illusion.